Hello everyone, myself Princia Fernandez from Set Vidya Mandir English High School, Vasai East. Student, this video we will continue our chapter 11 division. Now we are going to learn equal distribution. Students, listen and understand. Tai said, I have brought some jamuns. Who is present today? Sonu said, 3 of us, Salma, Tony and me. Tai said, Sonu, count these jamuns and share them equally among the 3 of you. Sonu said, these are 12 jamuns. Total jamuns are 12. I will distribute them, giving each 1 jamun at a time. Tai said, how many did each of you get? Sonu say, each of us got 4 jamuns. Now Salma say, may I distribute them in a different way? Tai say, certainly Salma. How do you want to do it? Salma say, 3 of us have to share them. So I will make a group of 3 jamuns. Then each of us will take 1 from each group. Tony say, oh yes, 1 from each group mean 4 jamun for each of us. Tai say, right. And did you notice this? When Salma was making the groups, she was taking away 3 jamuns every time. In other words, from 12, she was subtracting 3 again and again. Salma say, yes, Tai. And when she did this 4 times, no jamuns were left. Tai say, so now you must have understood that sharing 12 jamuns equally among 3 or making group of 3 jamuns from them is the same as taking away 3 jamuns from 12 again and again. The outcome of all this action is the same. Tony say, yes, Tai. Tai again explain them. That is why all these actions are given the same name in a mathematics, which is division. Point to be learned. Division means distributing things equally. Division means making equal group of things. And division also means taking away the same number of things again and again from a certain number of things. Now Tony say, Tai will know the method of writing a multiplication using a sign. There must be a sign for division too. Tai say, of course Tony. This is the sign for division. This is how we use it. 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. It is read as 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. Salma say, I understood. 4 3s are 12. It means that when we put together 4 groups of 3 things each, we get 12 things. And if we make group of 3 things using 12 things, the number of groups we get is 4. Tai say, excellent. When making group of 3, we say the 3 times table up to 12. We come to know how many groups of 3 we can get from 12. When making 3 equal share out of 12 also, we say 3 times table. When we come to 3 4s are 12, we know that each one will get 4 things. Let me explain this some better examples, so pay attention. 6 divided by 2 is written as like this. To divide 6 by 2, say the 2 times table up to 6. 2 3s are 6, hence 3 is a quotient. Subtract the product of 2 and 3 from the given 6. The remainder is 0, hence 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. Here dividend is 6, divisor 2, quotient 3 and remainder 0. Points to be learned. The number to be divided is the dividend. The number to be divided is the dividend. And the number by which we divide is the divisor. The number by which we divide is the divisor. This is a quotient. And a quotient is the answer to a division problem. There are 9 laddus in one box. They have to be shared equally by 4 people. Students, here, after giving 2 laddus each to 4 people, 1 laddu remains. It means that if we have to give whole laddus, we cannot make equal shares. Had there been only 8 laddus in the box, there would be no laddus left over after the equal shares had been made. Sometimes things get left over after making equal shares containing whole things only. This number of remaining things is called a remainder. Look at the vertical arrangement which shows the number instead of things. So students, here 9 is the number of laddus to be shared and they have to be shared among 4 persons. Now 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8. So 2 would be number of laddus in each share. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1, which means 1 is a remaining laddu. Next is 12 flowers shared equally among 4 children. Students, here total number of flowers are 12, which is the dividend. And number of children in which is the flower should be distributed equally are 4 is called divisor. 4 is a divisor. Now we say the 4 times table up to 12. It means 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 10, 4 threes are 12, which means 3 will be the quotient of flower that each child will get. Now 12 minus 12 is equal to 0, which is the remainder. That is no flower is left. So each one get 3 flower because 4 threes are 12. This division is written vertically as shown alongside. 12 divided by 4, remainder is 0. Understand? One more example, 22 rupees to be distributed equally among 5 people. Now here 22 is the dividend and 5 is the divisor. Here 5 is the divisor, so we shall use the 5 times table. 5 fours are 20 and 5 fives are 25. We can't give away 25 rupees from 22, but we can give 20 from 22. So we use 5 fours are 20 and we write 4 in the unit place above the line. We mustn't write this 4 in the tens place because each one gets 4 rupees and not 4 tens. Students, you know 4 tens mean 40 rupees. So write only 4 in a unit place. Students, I hope you understood how to make equal distributing and solve the division sums. So you have to practice more.